भद्रवाह के स्टूडेंट्स ने रोल प्ले किया है डीसी डोडा हरविंदर सिंह आईएएस ऑफिसर का। भद्रवाह के स्टूडेंट्स ने रोल प्ले किया है एसएसपी डोडा संदीप मेहता साहब का। भद्रवाह के स्टूडेंट्स ने रोल प्ले किया है एडीसी भद्रवाह सुनील कुमार का। भद्रवाह के स्टूडेंट्स ने रोल प्ले किया है तहसीलदार भद्रवाह कमलप्रीत सिंह साहब का। भद्रवाह के स्टूडेंट्स ने रोल प्ले किया है बीडीओ भद्रवाह यासर वानी का। भद्रवाह के स्टूडेंट्स ने रोल किया है इस ईओएमसीबी भद्रवाह का। और भी बड़े रोल प्ले किए हैं, और रोल इसलिए प्ले किया है, एक मैसेज दिया है पूरी आवाम को, सारे टूरिस्ट को, और प्रशासन से भी अपील की है कि जिस तरह से टूरिस्ट का फ्लो भद्रवाह में बढ़ रहा है और यहाँ पर जो है प्लास्टिक का बहुत ज्यादा यूज हो रहा है और क्लीनलीनेस के लिए जो है काफी ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। एक अच्छा स्किट पेश किया, एक मैसेज देने की कोशिश की है, तो आप इस वीडियो को जरूर देखें और देखें किस तरह से अलग अलग स्टूडेंट्स जो है भद्रवाह के स्कूल जितने भी अलग अलग स्टूडेंट्स इन स्कूलों के आए उन्हें एक स्किट प्ले किया है और एक अच्छा मैसेज सोसाइटी को देने की कोशिश की है। और जो है हम शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं वैली स्पोकन इंग्लिश इंस्टीट्यूट का जिन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया है, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि इन फ्यूचर भी ऐसे इनिशिएटिव लेते रहेंगे और समाज की जो खिदमत है वो करते रहेंगे। तो आप इस वीडियो को देखें और देखें कि किस तरह से बच्चों ने ये रोल प्ले किए हैं।
Plastic is here, plastic is there, plastic is everywhere. Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to do a skit with the title Clean and Green Badarwa, Single Use Plastic Free Badarwa. In this skit, different administrative posts are assigned as Mehak Ramotra, student of class 8, as DC Doda, Harvinder Singh. Salman Ahmed, student of class 9th, as ADC Sir Badarwa. Dheeraj Manhas, student of BSc second year, as SSP Doda. Chairman Alisha, student of class 10th Government Girls Higher Secondary School Badarwa. Ayush Kumar, student of class 5th, as Tehsildar Sir Badarwa Kamalpreet Singh. Nusrat Banu, student of class 5th, as CEO Municipal Committee Badarwa. Vidhi Katoch, student of class 4th, as BDO Badarwa. Arushi Ramotra, as Principal Government Girls Higher Secondary School Badarwa. Yudhvir Kotwal, student of class 3rd, as DSP Sir Badarwa. Other not least character, that is Aliza, student of class 8th. Now welcome our most important character, who is the center of this skit, that is the single-use plastic, role by Vivid Katoch, student of class 8, Little Angel, Badarwa Campus, Badarwa.
I am the king, I am the king, I am the king. Ha ha ha. I am ruler of this world. I am single-use plastic, single-use plastic, single-use plastic. Ha ha ha.
Your end is near. Don't be so proud. The devil plastic.
My end, ha ha ha. This so-called foolish man, modern man, cannot survive without me. I am present in your surrounding from warm to torm, from hospital, school, market, air, everywhere. Ha ha ha.
We will dump you in the soil, in the soil, in the soil. Ha ha ha.
In the soil, ha ha ha. I am non-biodegradable. I never die. I am responsible for suicide of many farmers as NCRB report due to heavy crop loss to them because of me. Ha ha ha.
We'll dump you in the river, in the river, in the river. Ha ha ha.
In the river, ha ha ha. You eat me as a part of your food chain. I am available in your fish and other seafood. Ha ha ha.
We will burn you now, burn you now, burn you now.
Ha ha ha, burn! I will choke your respiratory system. In Delhi, I am world famous as I have made Delhi world polluted city. Ha ha ha, I am the king of capital city Delhi. Ha ha ha.
Solution, solution, solution for this increasing plastic pollution. The devil, we are not gonna to use you. We are going to follow 3 R's: reduce, reuse, refuse, cycle, reduce, reuse, refuse, cycle.
United we stand, divided we fall.
Now there is an oath ceremony by the different administrators of District Doda. The oath ceremony goes like this.
Let's take an oath. No plastic in my valley. In my valley, in my valley. No plastic in my river. In my river, in my river. No plastic in my market. In my market, in my market.
Clean and green Bharwa is our demand.
Is our demand, is our demand.
Now solution in the form of different questions asked from different administrators. Now the first question is from Alicia, the student of class 10th. Alicia, as a DDC chairman, how you can be able to take action in a speedy way against plastic pollution?
Through CSR concept, corporate social responsibility or among all shopkeepers and owners contribution.
Now the next question is from our DSP sir, Yudhvir, as a DSP in this skit. Yudhvir, how will you participate in controlling single-use plastic in Badarwa Valley?
As chess champion, I will donate for clean and green Bhadarwa.
Okay, Yudhvir means you will donate as a chess champion. You are gonna to donate the winning amount in cleaning and greening the Badarwa Valley. Okay, thank you, Yudhvir. Now my next question is from Ayush, as a Tehsildar Sir Badarwa. Sir, it's a question from you. In schools and homes, how will you reduce the use of plastic?
By using cloth making carry bag.
Now, last but not the least, our student Aliza, the student of class 8th. There is a question, Aliza. How will you make your mother not to use plastic at all?
Towards eco-friendly alternatives like steel containers and glass bottles.
Now, there is a question from the SSB sir. Sir, how will you support them all?
I am with team with full sports.
In these posters, really appreciable. And finally, it's the end of our plastic who was dominating this world, the end of this single-use plastic, Finally, it's a victory that no more plastic pollution in Badarwa Valley. Single-use plastic is finally dead. No rule of single plastic in Badarwa. Thank you everyone.